Namaskar students. So in this session we are going to learn about adaptations to cold climates. So first let's discuss the term adaptation. What do we understand by this term? Adaptation is the special feature acquired by the animal to survive under a particular environmental condition. Yes, some organisms they are able to survive under extreme cold weather. Some are able to survive under extreme hot weather. So these animals they have acquired certain special characteristics, certain special features over a long period of time. Adaptation occurs hundreds and thousands of years. They take this much span of time to acquire adaptations. So talking about the organisms living under the cold climates. So first we will learn about polar bear. Polar bear is an animal which has having a white fur. So it is not easily available in this, it is not easily visible in the snow and helps in catching their prey. So now this capability of the animal to blend itself in color with its surroundings is called as camouflage. So polar bear well camouflages itself with the surrounding snow. They have two layers of fur to protect them from the extreme cold. Yes, they have under this layer of fur they are also having a layer of thick fat which provides them an excellent insulation system. Their paws are white and large which help them to walk on the snow and swim in water. They have a strong sense of smell which helps them to catch their prey, and even they have a special ability to hold their breath for a long time when they are under the water. So it helps them to catch their prey easily under the water. Next organism what we are going to talk about is penguins. Yes, penguins also have white color which helps them to camouflage with the snow. They have thick white skin, and under the skin they also have a layer of fat called as blubber which helps them to keep them warm. The dark colored feathers of a penguin, that is the back surface, it helps to absorb the heat. So it helps them to keep them warm. Penguins always prefer to live in huge groups, in huge colonies. So they huddle together, and this huddling helps them to keep them warm. One more characteristic of these animals of cold climates is hibernation. What is hibernation? Hibernation is a seasonal state of inactivity characterized by low body temperature, slow heart rate, slow breathing rate, and low metabolic rate. That means during this time, the organism is going under a deep, long sleep. He has already eaten or consumed a lot of energy before going into a state of hibernation. Now the metabolism rate has been decreased to a very low rate so that the animal can survive under this state. It occurs commonly during the winter months. Now the picture is showing you how a dormouse looks like when he is hibernating. He is sleeping in a deep sleep for a long period of time. So today we have learned about some adaptations for the animals that survive under very cold climates. That is polar bear, penguins and dormouse. So polar bears, penguins, they have the white color which helps them to camouflage with the surroundings. They are well adapted to swim. They have a thick skin as well as a layer of fur polar bear is having. And penguins and polar bear both have a layer of fat to protect them from the outside cold. These animals living in the extreme cold climates like dormouse, they undergo hibernation. To survive, to escape the extreme cold, they go into a deep sleep so that they are conserving their energy and protecting themselves from the extreme weather conditions. Thank you.